Passive voice in Kurdish. We are making passive voice in Kurdish with the verb haten, be, which means coming, to come. Being cooked. Be, te, çekirin. Xwarin, te, çekirin. Food is being cooked. Being cleaned now. Te, paqijkirin. Anaha ode te paqijkirin. The room is being cleaned now. Now when we use the present tense form of this verb, now it becomes passive voice in present. Te paqijkirin. Were read. Haten xwendin. Duho pertuk haten xwendin. The books were read yesterday. For making passive voice in the past tense, we are using the past form of the haten be. Were bought. Haten girtin. Meywe ji sûkê haten girtin. The fruits were bought from the market. Was used. Hat bikar anin. Ev alav ji aliyê azad hat bikar anin. In a passive voice sentence, if you want to specify the one who did the action, we use ji aliyê. Ji aliyê azad, by Azad.